Hi there, it's Cuckoo here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my favorite smoothie, coconut pineapple smoothie. This smoothie is really good. Honestly, it tastes good. Two things you want to use if you want it to taste as good as mine does is pineapple that is ripe and sweet. Taste your pineapple before you use it, and you want to make your coconut milk yourself. Don't use canned coconut milk. Watch my video on how to make coconut milk at home and use that milk to make your smoothie recipe. Okay, don't forget to core your pineapple. Take out the hard inner flesh. You can use it in salads, or you can just eat it by itself. If you leave it in the smoothie, it's still, something that you can drink, but it's going to have a rough texture. I don't like that, so I just take it out. It looks good, right? And it tastes even better. Yeah, and by the way, you don't have to use ice. I use ice when I really want my smoothie very cold, but if my fruits are already cold and my coconut milk is cold, then sometimes I'll just not use the ice. Feel free to use it, not use it, whatever your preference might be. And by the way, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe so you get all our interesting recipes and cooking tips. Don't forget to like the video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. It's bye for now from Cuckoo. See ya!